Rahul sir, thank you for helping me every day.
Hi Srishti, this is for you.
Oh my god, why this so?
Thank you for all your support during my onboarding.
Thank you, Rifat.
Thank you so much, Fiza, for helping me adjust in the department.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhupesh sir.
Oh my god, what was this?
Dhamakedar, thank you ma'am for your dhamakedar support.
Oh, thank you so much, Vivek.